SERTICA Logbook replaces traditional paper logbooks with a fully compliant electronic solution. Our oil record logbook is popular as it allows you to record and sign all oil and bilge transfers and discharges. Instead of writing manually in a paper logbook, the crew selects the predefined operations. Built-in validations immediately detect inconsistent entries before they can be saved. When possible values are automatically calculated. You can easily add receipts, certificates, and other relevant documentation. Every entry follows a controlled approval workflow with role-based electronic signatures, PIN validation, and full traceability. The result is improved compliance, fewer reporting errors, and real-time visibility from ship to shore across the entire fleet.